Start.
Good morning, friends. Today's my lecture topic is criminalization of politics. So let me express my views on this topic. So first of all, the ADR, the Association of Democratic Reforms, tells that the criminalization of politics in India is increasing day by day. In 2004, according to the data, it was 24% in the parliamentary elections. But in the data of 2019, it has increased to 43%. As per the reports from 2009, it has been increased 44% in the country's total criminalization cases. Now we will discuss about what are the effects of criminalization of politics in our country. So the first effect is vote bank. As we know that many parties have criminals background politicians in them, so they tend to affect the politics of our country by their money power, and with the help of this they tend to purchase the votes of the person and win the election. With winning the election, they get selected into the parliament and also the state legislatures. The second is money power. The politicians who are from criminal background tend to use more and more money in election, and the money is mostly from the mostly the black money, and it increase the corruption in country. Also, they tend to use the muscle power to influence the votes of the person, and in conclusion, I would like to say that we should vote effectively and with the help of our full senses, so that we can decrease the criminalization in our politics. We should give vote to the person who is from good background, and also maintain the effectiveness of our vote. And through this we can reduce the corruption in country and also get many opportunities in our country and help the country in developing. Thank you.
Great.